Hello and welcome to another video of this series presented by techlatest.net. In this video, we are going to provide you step-by-step guide to provision the Kali Linux with GUI virtual machine solution provided by techlatest.net on Amazon Cloud Platform AWS. And once your solution is deployed, we'll see how to connect to Kali graphical user interface using VNC client. So let's begin our video. Open Techlatest Kali Linux listing on AWS Marketplace. For that, go to techlatest.net website, navigate to Products and Support page, search for Kali GUI Linux. Click on Kali GUI Linux from the search result. You can read the overview of this page from here. On this page, click Launch Now on AWS button. It will take you to the products listing page on AWS Marketplace. Scroll down and read more about this offering, like pricing, operating system, recommended instance type, etc. Click on Continue to subscribe. Log in with your credential and follow the instruction. It will ask you to subscribe this service. As I am already subscribed, it's taking me to the next page. Next page will show you the details about hourly, monthly, and annual pricing. Select a region where you want to launch the VM, such as US, East, and Virginia. Click on Continue to Launch button. Choose Action. You can launch it through EC2 or from website. Let's choose Launch from website. Optionally change the EC2 instance type. This defaults to T2.medium instance type, which comes with 2 virtual CPUs and 4 GB RAM. Optionally change the network and subnetwork. Select the security group. Be sure that whichever security group you specify have ports 22 for SSH and 5900 for VNC exposed. Or you can create a new security group using Create New Security Group based on seller's setting. Enter the name and description of security group and save the changes. Be sure to download the key pair which is available by default, or you can create the new key pair from here. Click on Launch. Kali GUI Linux will begin deploying. A summary page displays. To see this instance on EC2 console, click on EC2 console link. On the EC2 console page, instance is up and running. To connect to this instance through PuTTY, copy the IPv4 public IP address, open PuTTY, paste the IP address, browse your private key you downloaded while deploying the VM by going to SSH, Auth and Credentials tab. Log in as Ubuntu. Kali Linux is available as a container image on this Ubuntu host. To connect to Kali command line, run this command here: sudo docker execute -it Kali Linux, which is the name of the Kali container, /bin/bash. Then to allow the connection via VNC client. From your local Windows machine, go to Start menu. In the search box, type and select VNC. If you don't have VNC installed on your local system, first install VNC Viewer as per your device. In the VNC Viewer wizard, copy the external IP from the instance details page and paste it here. Click Connect. Accept the encryption warning. Now you are connected to out-of-the-box Kali Linux desktop environment via VNC client with root user. The VM comes with various Kali Linux tools pre-installed out of the box. You can browse them here. We will see them in detail in our upcoming videos. After your first login, you must change your root user password. Open terminal and run this command to change the root user password. x11vnc-store password. Provide the password, enter yes. Once the password is set, reboot the VM. Now my VM is restarted. Let's re-log in with root user and new password. Suppose for any reason you are unable to connect to Kali Linux via terminal or VNC client. In that case, go to SSH terminal and check the status of the container by running sudo docker ps-a command. Hit enter. If the container is not running for some reason or got exited, In that case, restart the Kali container and VNC connection. Run sudo docker start Kali Linux to start the container. After that, run sudo docker execute Kali Linux /entrypoint.sh ampersand to allow the connection via VNC client. Now you can access the Kali Linux. That's it for today's video. This is how you can provision the tech latest Kali Linux with graphical user interface, GUI, virtual machine solution available on Azure Marketplace. Thank you for watching.